Is your hair weak and breaking easily? Today I am showing you how to make a powerful avocado seed conditioner that helps with hair growth and strengthening your hair. Most of us eat avocado and throw away the seeds, but guys, never throw away avocado seeds again because they actually have amazing benefits for your hair, guys. So first, I'm grating the avocado seeds. Avocado seeds are very hard, so blending them can be difficult. That's why we are not blending them. So grate them. Make sure you grate them into very tiny pieces so we can easily extract all the nutrients. So some of the benefits of the avocado seeds is it strengthens your hair and reduces breakage because avocado contains amino acids and natural compounds that help strengthen your hair shaft, making your hair stronger. Then the second benefit is that it also helps in growing your hair. Avocado seeds contain antioxidants and nutrients that help improve your scalp and blood circulation, guys, which supports healthy hair growth. Okay, so this is how they look after the grating. After this, we put them in water and then we let them soak. You can soak them for 10 to 20 minutes. It just depends on how much time you want to leave them. Mine I left for around 15 minutes. This helps the water start absorbing the nutrients. Okay, then we cover that up and then we go to the boiling stage. So once we've done the soaking, now we go and boil that up and make sure that you keep stirring because the seeds can burn sometimes. All right, so just keep stirring gently and allow it to cook. You can see how the mixture is looking very nice. You can already see that it is starting to really become the orange that we need it to be. So guys, if you're already learning something new here, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural 4C tips. All right. So once it's done boiling, we let it now cool completely before we use this mixture. Our mixture has now cooled down and it's ready to sieve. So the third amazing benefit for this is that it deeply moisturizes dry hair. It helps lock in that moisture, leaving your hair feeling soft and hydrated. Also, it helps improve your scalp health because avocado seeds have what we call anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help with dry scalp, the flakes, the itchy scalp. Anyway, so right now we are now sieving. Once your mixture has cooled, we'll sieve that and remove the solid pieces and keep the nutrient-rich liquid that we'll be applying to our hair. Yes, I love the color. It's so rich, it's so thick. I love how I think that is burnt orange. I'm not very good with colors, but that I think is burnt orange. So if you want to see more avocado seed hair treatments, you can comment avocado seed in the comments so that I know this is what you want to be seeing more of. But that is what we got. This is the waste that came out, and then this is our hair seed. The conditioner really looks really nice. You can apply this all of it at once, or if you want to store it, you can store it. But for me, I used all of it because it was enough for my hair that day. So now it is time for us to apply. Since we've already sieved it, we want to apply. I had washed my hair prior to this, so I just applied it directly onto my hair as a conditioner. Guys, this is really looking like some a bit of blood. So I can tell you for sure, you need to apply it either on a sink or just apply it on the bathroom, and then immediately just ensure that once you've applied that, you're putting in a cup so that you're not making everything around you look red, because it is pure red, or rather orange. I told you I'm not very good with these colors. Okay, so I apply all of it generously. I keep saying, whenever you're using these homemade products, because you're making them at home, why not apply as much as possible? So I'll speak about the fifth benefit, which is that I noticed that it adds a lot of shine to my hair. My hair looked very healthy and shiny after this treatment. Guys, you need to try this. Then the last thing is that it also helps in terms of detangling, because it will give your hair some sleep, very good sleep, which means less pain and less breakage. So are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. Are you going to try this avocado seed conditioner? My hair felt very soft, and honestly, I love this treatment. After that, I just washed my face. But if you really enjoyed this video, I also have another video where I show you how to make avocado oil at home, and also how to make rosemary oil at home for hair growth. So please just click here and watch those videos next to keep growing your healthy, strong hair. So till next time, guys, see you. Bye bye.